In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this letter portrait in Photoshop. First, select Type tool and write letter Z. Increase the size according to canvas. Select your image. Go to Edit, click Copy, back to your canvas, and paste. Decrease the image layer opacity. Align your subject perfectly within the letter. Now remove the subject background. Press Ctrl right-click on the layer thumbnail, click on this mask, select Brush tool. Make sure the foreground color is black. Brush on the extra area outside your letter. Then select the text layer, right-click, and choose Blending options. Click on the Drop Shadow properties. Set the opacity between 5 to 10. Copy rest of the properties. And there you have it, your letter portrait is ready. Don't forget to comment and share your thoughts for the next video.